We'll guide you through how to upload a high quality TikTok video. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok, and so you'll want to go and upload a high quality post and video onto TikTok, and you want to go and keep the quality high. So perhaps you try to go and upload something, but you're finding the quality is just lost. It just doesn't go and keep it, and TikTok go and make it look a lot worse. We're going to guide you through how you can upload a high quality video and keep it high. Make sure this is entire video and don't go and skip anything, as you may go and miss an important step to this. Now, this may be happening whether you're recording the video right now in TikTok or you've got the video on your device. So for example, I've got the video here in my photos. It's like a little beach video here of the ocean. And I want to upload this and go and keep the quality high. So we're going to guide you through this. So what you want to do is come to TikTok. As I said, you may just be recording it now, and you can go and press the plus at the bottom. Then we can go and select post at the bottom, and you can choose the length here. And we're going to go and upload the one from our gallery and camera roll. So what you can do is go and open that up in the bottom left, select it and go and press next. Now what you can do is go and edit it to your liking. I'll just go and remove that sound it added. If you go and press the arrow at the bottom on the right list, you'll see all these different options here. I can add text, stickers, effects, filters, voice, captions, and save it. And if I go and press edit, you can actually go and use the editor here, which I know a lot of people prefer. You can go and be much more precise with it. So go and edit it to your liking. Now, what you can do is when you're ready, you can go and press the red arrow in the top right, or if you're here, you can press next in the bottom right. Now here, we need to go and start posting it as we usually would. Go through the settings, but don't press post. So I could go and say, beach view on holiday, whatever it is, caption it however you want. Add a location, hashtags, mentions, add a link, go and choose, you can go and view it, and you can go and check out the privacy settings there as well. But what's super key, and is the main setting we're looking for, is more options. So what you need to do is come into here, and you need to go and find the option, allow high quality uploads. That's super important. If that's turned off, then it's not going to go and make it high quality, as essentially here it does say as well that higher quality videos may take longer to process and can go and take longer to upload as well. So TikTok will sometimes go and turn this off just to go and make the process quicker or just easier to have less processing time. And so that will therefore sacrifice the quality, and it can go and lose quality. So if you want to go and have it high, you need to go and have this switched on. It's super key. And then what you can do is go and close out of this. And then what you can do is go and press post in the bottom right. Of course, make sure everything else is set. Press post, and now it's going to begin posting. You can go and see the progress in the top right there. And now it's gone and posted. So as just to confirm, it may take a little bit longer, but hopefully now the quality is going to be kept high. Have a great day, and I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this.